Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, hi there. Can you hear me?
Hi. Yep.
Okay, so how are you today?
Good. I'm gonna be. I have my lines doing well. This is good. It'll be over in looks like 20 minutes or so.
Yeah, thank you. I'm also good. Thank you for asking. So just give me a minute. I need to check in Binance. Okay, I think everything is fine there. We can keep continue our initiation. So first of all, I would like to thank you all of our committee members actually for having here, guys. And special thanks goes to the AMA Hunter Club for this nice arrangement. And also, guys, today we have our honorable speaker actually, the Machine Drag, like the Chief Technology Officer of this Voice of Machine. Like he will explain everything in front of you. So, guys, just stay tuned and invite your friends and family. So, Mashin, could you please introduce yourself first? Like, how do you connect? Like, could you share a bit about your experience?
Oh, hey. Yeah. Thanks. I'm doing well. I appreciate the warm welcome. It's just amazing to connect with the community. I'm Mason Drake. I'm the CTO of Voice AI. I've spent the last several years working in artificial intelligence, voice technology, decentralized systems. This project is something I'm incredibly passionate about because it represents a new era in how humans interact with machines securely, privately, and intelligently.
Okay. Thank you, Mashin, for this amazing intro about yourself, actually. So, yep, I think we can like keep continuing some amazing question with some amazing question. So, first of all, can you explain what voice AI actually and why do you decided to build it first?
Oh, sure, absolutely. So, Voice AI is a decentralized AI-powered voice assistant platform that allows people to interact with applications and services using natural voice commands. Think of the voice assistants you already know, but designed with Web3 in mind, built to be multilingual, privacy first, and blockchain integrated. We're building bots that are useful in real world situations, whether it's ordering food, checking into a hotel, handling customer support, or even controlling a smart device. The motivation behind it, I guess, came from like a growing concern over the way traditional voice platforms handle user data. Most of them store everything on centralized servers, creating like significant privacy risks. So with Voice AI, we're hoping to reverse that model. We're giving people full control of their voice data while delivering real automation value to businesses and users.
Okay, thank you, Imagine, for sharing the thoughts. That is like, why did you decide to build it actually? So yeah, guys, if you want to know more, just keep continue and like you can check out from their website also. Like as he mentioned, Poisia is a decentralized AI-powered like voice assistant platform that allows people to interact with application and services using the neural voice commands. Thank you once again. So that's really very amazing, I can say. So how does this AI engine actually work behind the scenes?
Oh, behind the scenes, yeah, it's a pretty sophisticated process. But like here's the flow in simple terms. So when a user speaks, our system first captures and then transcribes the voice input through speech recognition. Then it uses natural language processing to understand what was said and what the user actually means. And after that, our AI determines the user's intent and generates an appropriate response. Finally, we convert that response back into natural speech. It all happens in real time. The best part is that the same system can also work in texting mode. So this makes it perfect for apps, bots, devices that you want like a seamless user experience across multiple platforms. What ties it all together is the decentralized backend, which makes sure that the privacy and control are always like maintained.
Okay, yeah, thank you, Mashin, for this amazing answer. Actually, thank you. And also, I can see you're integrated with the blockchain technology. So, may I know actually, like, how does this blockchain come into the play here? Like, what role does it play in your ecosystem?
Yeah, so blockchain is actually a huge part of what makes our platform different. With voice AI, for example, users can trigger like real on-chain actions through voice commands. So, for example, if you say send zero point 0.1 SOL to Paul, the system can securely execute the transaction. This is something that traditional voice systems can't do. We also use blockchain for secure and decentralized data storage. So voice interactions are encrypted and distributed across the network instead of like being stored on a single centralized server. Also, smart contracts manage our entire usage logic, like things like staking, token incentives, and DAO governance. The entire platform is Web3 native from the ground up.
Okay. Thank you, National, once again for this amazing answer. So yeah, people, I think like blockchain is very important. Like it will provide you, I can say, the more security, more reliability. So that's how they integrate the blockchain technology. So what makes the voice AI stand out from other voice platforms? You know, there are a lot of platforms existing actually in the cryptocurrency. So why you are different?
Yeah. So I guess there's a few things that make us unique. So first, voice AI is privacy first by design. So your voice data is never stored on a central server and it's always encrypted and protected. Second, we integrate blockchain logic directly into the voice layer, so your voice can actually initiate secure decentralized actions on chain. And third, we've actually already proven our concept. Voice AI is live right now with bots on platforms like Telegram and Instagram, and we're expanding into decentralized apps really soon too. And I think it's also important to mention that we've gone through full security audits with CoinSold and completed KYC verification with solid proof. So the transparency and trust are built in from the start.
Okay, got it. Thank you for this answer. So, guys, they're very different. Like they have the different perspective, I can say, as he explained actually. So let's talk about the security, which is also important topic I can say for any project. So, how do you ensure the system is more secure and trustworthy?
Yeah, that's definitely critical and needs to be secure. So we started by auditing our smart contracts with CoinSoul, and the results are public. We also did a full KYC verification with solid proof. From an architectural standpoint, let's see, we designed the system to minimize all the vulnerabilities. All voice interactions are processed through decentralized protocols, and everything is end-to-end encrypted. We're also introducing a DAO governance, which allows the community to vote on like important decisions, system upgrades, new features. This gives users a real voice, no pun intended, in how the platform like evolves and operates.
Okay, so I think like you're very very secure. Nothing actually like as the way you explained it. Got it. Thank you once again. So I can see you have your native token, which is voice. So could you share a bit about this voice token and what is its utility actually?
Sure. So the voice token is what powers our ecosystem. It can be used to access premium AI services, integrate bots into your business, and unlock advanced enterprise features. Holders can also stake voice to earn a share of the platform's revenue, and they'll have voting rights in the DAO to help shape future updates and governance decisions. We're also launching ecosystem rewards. So if you contribute by helping train the AI, like providing feedback or helping expand adoption, you can also earn tokens in return. And to support long-term token value, we're implementing a buyback and burn model that gradually reduces the total circulating supply over time.
Mention, are you there? Did you get my question? I just want to know about your the tokenomics of your voice token.
No, I didn't hear you say that. Sorry, I was waiting to hear back from you. Uh, what was your question?
Yeah, may I know about your tokenomics actually, like the whole tokenomics of your voice token?
Yeah, of course. So we carefully structured our token distribution to support long-term growth. Sustainability is really important to us. So our total supply is 100 million voice tokens, and half of that, so 50%, is allocated to the public presale, and that'll be unlocked at launch. We've allocated 25.5% for liquidity, which will be fully locked for a year, so that ensures price stability. And another 4.875% is set aside for private sale. We also reserve 6% for marketing and partnerships, 5% for centralized exchange listings, 5% for community rewards and staking, and 3.625% for the core development team with appropriate locks and vesting schedules in place. So this structure is basically designed to build investor confidence while ensuring long-term decentralization and ecosystem health.
Okay, got it. Thank you, Mashan, like for explaining the tokenomics. So, guys, if you have any more question and queries about their token, you can ask in the same session. No problem. I will take a question also. The last part of the CMA. Thank you. So, Mashan, how do you generate your revenue? Actually, like how does your policy plan to generate revenue?
So we're already generating revenue through a few different channels. The first is through enterprise level AI bot integrations, which allow businesses to plug our voice tech into their customer service or sales systems. The second thing we're doing is subscription based access to our decentralized app features, and the third comes from partnerships in industries like hospitality, retail, and IoT. A portion of this revenue is allocated to buyback and burn voice tokens, which supports price stability and token scarcity. So we're building real recurring revenue, not just relying on token sales.
Okay, yeah, got it. I think like sometimes some people trying to keep this secret actually, the revenue. But thank you for revealing this in front of us. Actually, I think this will provide you the more reliability, more trust. Thank you. So may I know about your next roadmap about this project, like your upcoming plan and program with this month and after that?
Yeah, so we have a really exciting roadmap ahead. In Q3, we're going to be launching our decentralized voice app. So this is going to be a huge step forward and will really showcase the full capabilities of the platform. We're also expanding our bot capabilities. We're adding features like customizable voices, enhanced command recognition, and cross app integration. We also have some CEX listings in progress, and we're building new partnerships both in the Web3 space and with real world businesses. One of our biggest priorities is expanding our multilingual AI assistant to serve users and enterprises across different markets and languages. And longer term, we're working on cross-chain interoperability, smarter AI models, and even open APIs and SDKs for developers so they can build their own custom voice apps.
Okay, wish you good luck for the future. Actually, like as you mentioned, you're going to be launching your decentralized voice app. Oh, that's amazing! People, you can download their app actually to launch. No worries, and they have their future plan and programs. I can see. Thank you. So, mention I got some question actually from our community. Are you ready to take this question?
Yeah, I can answer questions.
Okay, the first question I got about, can the small projects or businesses afford to use the voice AI?
Yeah, definitely. We designed Voice AI to be modular and accessible. There's a free basic tier for getting started, and we offer a pay-as-you-go pricing model. So that means even small startups or individual developers can take advantage of our voice automation technology without needing like a massive budget, right? We're really serious about democratizing access to advanced AI.
Okay, thank you, Mashan, for this answer also. So let's take another good question. Okay, can investor trust your okay, sorry for this. I can take another question. Actually, I think you answered this question already. I will take it later, no problem. So will the voice AI support more languages and platforms? I think there are a lot of people from the different countries. So how can they know about your platforms? Do you have the multiple language supports, or like do you have any kind of local community for these people?
Yeah, so right now we support English, Korean, and Spanish, and we're constantly working on adding more languages. We want Voice AI to be globally accessible. On the platform side, we're also expanding beyond Telegram and Instagram. We're working on integration with mobile apps, Web3 dApps, even smart hardware like IoT devices. But the vision is to make Voice AI available anywhere for anywhere people are using technology in any language.
Okay, okay. So yeah, guys, I think it's very important, like having the different community members, like especially the large, like supported languages like the Korean, Spanish, and English also. But guys, you can translate from the Google Translator if you have any issues about the language barrier. So no worries. Thank you once again. Okay, so can investor actually trust voice AI? I got about this question. I think you covered this pretty much earlier about your security, but could you add more? Like, can investor trust your voice AI?
Yeah, so we built it on transparency. As I mentioned earlier, we're fully KYC verified, and our smart contracts have been audited and made public. All voice data is decentralized and encrypted, and we publish regular updates to keep the community informed. Our focus is on building like long-term trust, not just short-term hype.
Okay, so I think like guys, you can trust them. They have their promise. They have their real world utility actually, and you can keep continue. You can communicate with them. Like mention is here also in front of you, so nothing to worry about the trust issue. Thank you. So another question I got about: will you ensure the long term sustainability?
Sustainability. So that's at the heart of everything we do, right? Unlike many projects that rely purely on token speculation, Voice AI is grounded in real world utility. So our revenue model is diverse and we're constantly reinvesting in the platform. So whether it's AI upgrades, token burns, or strategic partnerships. On top of that, we're moving towards community led governance. So the ecosystem can evolve based on the needs and input of its users.
Okay, I think like guys, no worries. They have the long term plan. They have to go the long way actually, so they know how to build everything. They know how to work. So you can keep faith on like the voice AI. Thank you once again. So here's the last question from the community members I got about what's your starting market cap?
The market cap. So we're starting with a modest initial market cap. Uh, you can check our info out. It's intentional. We've structured the launch to be stable, strong liquidity. We want gradual organic growth. Our goal is to build a long-term value for our community and investors, not to spike and crash. You know.
Okay, thank you. So I think we're enough for now. Like we covered pretty much everything your plan and utility, security, feature plan, and so. So, Ashton, do you have anything else that you want to add before wrapping this session?
Yeah, I just thank you to everyone who tuned in. Voice AI to me is more than just a project. It's a mission to create a smarter, more private, and more human way to interact with technology. Whether you're a user, investor, developer, or just someone who's curious about the future of voice AI, there's a place for you here. We're building this future together, and we're just getting started.
Okay, thank you, Nation, for having here for your comment and the CDO. Like you did your amazing job actually. So, guys, if you have any more question, like if you want to know in details, you can check out their website and like you can ask in their like any question in their Telegram and Twitter. They'll answer your questions. So, thank you, Nation, for having here. Wish you good luck for the future.
Thank you.
Okay, bye everyone.
Bye bye.